Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send email using Python. Before this, we need to do a couple of changes to a Google account. The first one is we need to enable IMAP. To do this, open Gmail. In the top right, click Settings and then See All Settings. Click the Forwarding and POP tab. In the IMAP Access section, select Enable IMAP and click Save Changes. And the last one is to enable less secure apps. By using the link in the description, you will enable less secure apps on your Google account like this. Now we start by importing yagmail module. We create a yagmail.smtp instance to initialize the server connection. For authentication, we specified the address and the password of Gmail account we created. Finally, we invoked yagmail's send function to specify the details of our email message. I am sending mail to myself. Subject is test mail. And the contents is hello. Then print completed. I have wrapped the entire code with a try except block to handle any errors such as wrong password and internet connection like that. Let's run the program. Mail sent successfully. Now let's check the mail. Now as you can see, I have received the mail